Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Morocco Recipes and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a delicious entree that you can serve with some skewers or tagine. Bismillah. Let's start by peeling the zucchini. If you can't find this type of zucchini, you can use the regular type. Cut it in half and then cut each half into 4 equal parts. Next, remove the inner part and then cut the zucchini in pieces. Cut both ends of the gombos and leave aside. To prepare the entree, heat some vegetable oil in a large pot. Add the onion cut into slices and let cook for a few minutes until they soften up, all the while stirring from time to time. Add the cut zucchini and pour the water. Add in a piece of vegetable stock as well as the salt, pepper, ginger, and turmeric. Stir and pressure cook for about 15 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you cook until the zucchini is half cooked. Next, add in the grated tomato and stir. Add the gombos and pressure cook for another 10 minutes. To serve this dish, place a few spoonfuls of the zucchini on a plate and the gombos on top. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and that you will try it out at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great recipe ideas. See you soon, inshallah.